Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the One More headphones and I'm going to tell you all the controls and gestures in these headphones you have to know. So, as you can see, this is the Apple Music and NCS, so let's play some music. Now, as you can see, we have to search for the minus and plus button, which are here. If we click on this minus, we can decrease the volume level. And if we, wait a moment, I will switch to this. If we click plus, we can increase the volume level. If we hold the plus button, we can go to the previous song. And if we hold the minus button, we can go to the next song. It's quite the opposite, as it is normal, but who cares? That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.